In my last video, Lachlan got to drive my Circuit XL, so now Lachlan's returned the favour and has given me the opportunity to have a go in his Formula Vee. This is his race car that he's been racing all year in the South Australian Championship, and we've lined up a test at Malala, so let's see how I go driving a Formula car for the first time in 4 years.
How do you feel?
I don't know, to be honest. It's different. Same different. I'm not nervous. It's not something
Yeah, that's good, that's good.
I wasn't really nervous. It is a low pressure environment. We're not in competition. It is just a test day, but I was very conscious that this is Lachlan's baby. This is his race car, so I had to look after it.
Oh, there he is.
It's a cool ass helmet.
All suited up.
The first major challenge of the day was trying to fit into this thing. I'm a bit taller than Lachlan and he has a particularly narrow chassis on his car, so it was a bit of a squeeze.
Sorry, I don't mean to touch it. Okay, we need to loosen these, there's no way.
Loosen them.
Sorry.
I realised my hards might be the wrong shape too.
Yeah, it is.
Formula hards are different to car hards.
Alright, now Will, how's this?
Alright, how are you feeling now that you're strapped in?
Suddenly got very real.
Yep, very real. Nah, you can have heaps of fun out there.
We'll see. We'll be alright. Take it easy for the first one.
Yep.
Alright, well, good luck.
Thanks, man.
We'll go straight over there.
I'll just go straight out, I guess.
Yeah, just do that. The gun's already over there.
Yeah, you got this.
Just please don't crash. Oh, wait. It might work now.
Ah, come on.
Are you like accelerating?
Yeah.
Just keep trying to the side.
Going on track for the first time in the V, I'm just taking these out laps slowly to get a feel for the car. One of the immediate things that I felt was how my head is getting pushed back from the force of the wind. It's something I'm absolutely not used to, having raced a tin top all year. The other thing is I was surprised by just how stiff all the pedals are compared to my XL. The clutch had some weight to it, and the brake pedal had very little movement, but required a lot more pressure than what I'm used to. The major difficulty I'm having with this car though is I just simply don't fit. Every time I'm changing gears, I'm having to shift my leg over so I can fit my hand between my thigh and the chassis. And in this left-hander at turn 2, I'm only able to keep one hand on the wheel because my left hand can't get past my leg. So coming on to my first flying lap, this thing is an absolute rocket. It is so light. Lachlan says you can take turn 1 here flat, but I'm not confident enough to try that right now. Also, I've missed rear-wheel drive cars. I love how you can make this thing dance using the throttle pedal. There's been some drama in front, so that ends the session and stops me from getting a good lap in. Heading back into the pits and you realise how low this car rides. It's also really hard to get into second and first gear.
Oh, yeah, all good. How was that?
Yeah, that's good.
I don't. Your lap times are a bit sad, but it's okay.
All right?
You're doing XL times. So what I was doing last night, you're literally doing now.
Yeah.
I lapped every time I was showing a set. Good. Alright, you're good to get out. I'll take this off for you.
It is so difficult to get in and out of this car.
It's always a struggle.
Alright, you're good.
Let's send that, bro.
The boys have been super supportive for this day, but as Lachlan said, the lap times are pretty sad. I'm not carrying enough corner speed. This thing has so much more grip than what I'm used to, and I'm just not fully trusting the car. Also, busting out the driver's book of excuses, I just don't fit in this thing. We've had to pull Lachlan's seat out, and I'm just sitting on a yoga mat against the firewall on the floor. I'm not getting the proper bum feel of what the car is doing because I'm just getting thrown around inside of it. Nonetheless, let's try to get some decent lap times in today. The solid rear axle takes a little bit to get used to. It gets pretty loose at the rear over bumps, but that just adds to the fun. This car is genuinely so much fun to toss around. Oops, sorry about that, Lachlan. Being a track day, we're navigating some traffic between the fast laps. Now right along for what I think is my best lap of the day. It's a bit hard to tell because there's no actual timing and we're just kind of going off Lachlan's phone timer, so I think this is the best one. was so much fun. I'm still a good few seconds off the pace from the times that Lachlan is doing in this, but this car is genuinely so fun to drive. It is so light, rear driven, rear engine. It's just fun. Thank you, Lachlan, for trusting me with your car for the day. If you enjoyed this, like the video, it helps me out a heap, and subscribe to be notified for the next upload. Until then, check out this video where Lachlan drove my XL, or check out this video from our last championship race of the season. See ya.